Zibhlungu izindaba ezingena ngommeli ecaleni lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa uAdvocate Thulani Mngomezulu okubikwa kuba akasekho emhlabeni. Angiqale ngobingelelo ngamukele le channel eMaswidi Mana Production okubingelelayo umxolisi Mfana kaDlomo mangabe uyaqala ukufika cela ukuthi ngenzele isiqiniseko sokuthi ucofa subscribe maqedwe bale video ushaye like bese ke comment kulolu daba namhlanje. Ezingena njengamanje ke selishoni ilanga ngani zakwethu sengeke ngayiveza ivideo yakhona lapho khona uKing Bhaka ekhuluma ke ngalo lolu daba. Nami ke sengithi angize ngizoconfirm sengiphethe ke incwadi ebhalwe umndeni ezokuthi ke akasekho emhlabeni ummeli ka-accused number 1 ummeli kaMoses Biya ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa uAdvocate Mngomezulu odluleke emhlabeni emva kokubanjwa ke ukugula isikhashana nje esesithanda kuba sidana ngoba kuzokhumbula ukuthi wake ke wacela enkantolo ukuba ke bamphumuze ngoba ke ebona ukuthi ke akekho right uzafuna ukuthi ke ayolungisa impilo yakhe bese ke yabuya emsebenzini. Bekulindeleke ukuba ke uzobuya azo cross examiner uBrigadier Bongani Gininda emva kuka Advocate Mshololo, kodwa ke njengamanje sekuvela ke lezi ndaba zokuthi akasekho emhlabeni uMngomezulu. Izindaba ke zokudlula kwakhe emhlabeni ziqinisekiswe umndeni wakhe ovezeke ukuba udlule namhlanje mhla ka-10 December 2024 ekuseni. Ube kumndeni ke usuqinikisa ke lezi ndaba ngokuveza ke incwadi usho ke nokuthi bacela ukunikezwa ispace kulezi ndaba ezibhlungu kangaka. Bebenzela nje ukuthi ke bazise abezindaba nabalandeli bakhe kanye ke nalabo ikakhulukazi abalandela ke icala lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa. Thina ke njengeMaswidi Mina Production sithi ke dudu Advocate Mngomezulu uyidlalile indima yakho sengathi umoya wakho ngalala ngokuthula. Ngiyabonga.
My Lord, my Lord, may I put the court to the position where it is? You are not a party in this proceedings. No, my Lord, you cannot descend into the arena. You are now descending to the arena? No, by reading the statement. That's not the prerogative of the court. That's not the prerogative of the court. This is not what is disclosed and hand up properly in terms of the law. You can't do that. You are descending under it to the arena, my Lord. Yes, my Lord. Please, if so, please, is the court.
I'm sure you're there. Section 186.
No, I know 167. I know 167. And we can read the 186.
Okay. Any document which is flying around in court, this court is entitled to have access to.
But it must make provision if a witness is under.
186 to you, I'm asking you, do you know about 186?
No, my Lord. You said yes. But I won't allow this statement to be read now. Not that I'm running away from that paragraph 6. It does not comply with the requirements to prove the originality and the authenticity of the document.
Yes, go on.
Let's proceed, Mr. Lieutenant. You said you will disagree with the evidence of Sergeant Mohola, who said these cell phones were booked in the locker at Erating offices. And you dispute that evidence of the person whom you gave those cell phones.
No,
Pixana common practice.
I am disputing on the basis of the common practice.
Sorry? Common practice?
Yeah.
To say what? What does common practice say?
Common practice?
Anything Pixana now, local common practice.
I am disputing that, saying that what you are saying is not common practice.
Or what she did, in other words, was wrong for her to book it.
According to me.
Okay, you were not present. What is important, you were not present when he locked in those two cell phones in one of the lockers at Eratim. You were not in.
Awusemka ukuthi wawungekho ngesikhathi ivalela lama-cellphone
Yep.
e-Aratem.
Yep.
That is correct.
All right. There's a witness who testified about the cell phones. He mentioned one cell phone of accused number one. And accused number one only knows one cell phone.
Solomkala cellphone yakho kuphela.
Kungayiphutha uma engathiwa cellphone yodwa.
It would be a fault if he says he knows only one cellphone.
Why do you say that?
Shouldn't I make it?
Ngoba mina ngathola omakhalekhukhwini ababili. Yeah.
Because I found two cell phones on him.
All right. Let's just put it this way. Now you arrest accused number one. You instructed him to lie down. Correct?
Okay, asifike na kusuka kwamsola ukala umtshela ukudlala phansi kunjalo.
Kunjalo.
That's correct.
There and then, at what stage did you search those cell phones?